Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please do take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. Okay, on the menu today, here we go. Really simple, this one. It's really fast, but delicious. We're doing a stir fry chicken and vegetables with some soy sauce and oyster sauce. Wonderful with noodles, fantastic with rice. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we need. Okay, let's take a look at these ingredients for this quite simple stir fry. Chicken, I've got chicken breast with no skin and no bone, and it's cut really nice and thin. Cut it nice and thin because we're going to cook on a really high heat very quickly. One small onion. I've got some bell peppers here, different colours. Some fresh chilli, which is optional. A little bit of celery. Some spring onions or green onions. Ginger and garlic, fresh, cut and chopped. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, and some carrots. I mean, the vegetables you can be playing around with, adding whatever you like really. We're going to start this off with some oil, and that is about it. Let's get over to the wok. Okay, so here we are. I've got my really, in fact it's enormous, this wok. On the heat high, I've got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. We're going to start off by dropping in our chopped ginger, our garlic, our onions, and as you can hear, this is on absolute full blast. Get your wok as hot as possible. Then we're going to add in the chicken, like I say, cut really nice and thin, and then you need to add your kind of hard vegetables. In my case today it's carrots and celery. While I'm here, I'm going to go in with some black pepper. We're not adding salt because we're using soy sauce and oyster sauce, which is very salty. We're going to go now for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this stage, we're now going to add in our bell peppers, our fresh chilli, which is optional, and again 2 more minutes, maximum heat. Okay, we're going to put in that soy. I'm using a dark soy, a little touch of water, and our oyster sauce. Two more minutes, remaining on maximum heat. Okay, off goes the heat. That's looking absolutely wonderful. Simply, we're going to finish this off with some green onions. We're going to mix that in, and this is done. Wonderful with noodles or with rice. We hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. We hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.